Well, we're falling back this weekend as daylight saving time comes to an end, and the state fire marshal is asking people to keep a few important things in mind. 22 News reporter Hector Molina is live in Springfield with why now is the time of year to check out your smoke detectors.
Yeah, the state fire marshal's office is reminding you not only to change your clocks, but to change the batteries in your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Now is a good time to replace the batteries in your alarms, test them, and check their dates. The state fire code requires that if your alarms are more than 10 years old, replace them completely. Carbon monoxide alarms usually need to be replaced after 5 to 7 years. In the average house fire, there are only 1 to 3 minutes. You only have 1 to 3 minutes to escape after the smoke alarm sounds. Working fire alarms give you the time needed to use your home escape plan. And the state fire marshal's office also recommends that you have a smoke detector in every bedroom and hallway in your house. In Springfield this morning, Hector Molina, 22 News.